Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log out Facebook from all devices. Now to do that, open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. On this page, you scroll down and tap on Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Setting. In the Setting and Privacy, you need to tap on Password and Security inside Accounts. Tap that. There you will have the option of where you're logged in. You tap on See All. It will show you all the mobiles or laptops or Windows desktop that you have logged in your Facebook in. For you to log out from all these devices, you need to scroll down to the very bottom and there you need to tap on Log Out of All Session. Tap that. This will log you out of Facebook from every device you're currently logged in. If you didn't log in on any of these devices, we can help you secure your account. You just tap on Log Out. With that, you will be logged out from all the other devices that you have logged your Facebook account in. And the only place you will be logged in will be the current device that you are using your Facebook account, that is this phone. So this is how you can easily log out from all Facebook devices. So this is how you can log out Facebook account from all the other devices. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.